Hello students, welcome to maths classes. This question is for JEE Mains and your topic is definite integrals. So you have to evaluate integral from -half to half greatest integer function of x plus ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x dx, where this brackets denotes greatest integer function. Now let us consider your I is equals to -half to half greatest integer function of x dx plus -half to half ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x dx. Okay, and let this is your I1 and this is your I2, second integral as I2. Now consider I1. I1 is between -half to half greatest integer function of x dx. Now you can define greatest integer function of x in between -half to half. When x is lying between -half to 0, your greatest integer function is -1, and between 0 to half, your greatest integer function is 0. So this can be written as between -half to 0 you have to integrate -1, and between 0 to half you have to integrate 0. So this will give you -x in between -half to 0, and it will give you 0 minus -half. So your answer is -1/2. Now consider I2. Your I2 is -half to half. You have to integrate ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x dx. Okay. Now there is a rule, there is a property of definite integrals that if you have to integrate between -a to a fx dx, and that is equals to 2 times integral 0 to a fx dx if fx is an even function. Okay, and this integral is equivalent to 0 if fx is an odd function. Okay, now using this rule, if we use this property here, so our I2 के लिए आपको fx चेक करना पड़ेगा. If your fx is ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then what is f of minus x? That is ln 1 x को आप रिप्लेस करेंगे माइनस एक्स से, 1 माइनस एक्स अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स, एंड दैट कैन बी रिटन एज माइनस. अगर आप कॉमन ले लेते हैं, रेसिप्रोकल करते हैं, देन इट विल गिव यू ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x raised to power -1, or we can write it as minus ln 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, and this will give you minus of fx. So f of minus x is equals to minus of fx. That implies your fx is an odd function, and if your fx is an odd function, so your I2 will be directly 0. Okay, now if we combine 1, 2 and 3, combine 1, 2 and 3, we get I is equals to I1 plus I2. Okay, I1 is -half plus 0. So the value of I is minus half, and that is your answer.